Hi viewers, 1 inch network token 32.70% price increase. Biggest gainer of the day, impressive performance, latest price prediction update forecast, technical analysis, current sentiment is bullish, technical indicators, 5% coming days, short term down, decrease, 62% green days, fear and greed index 54 neutral, price volatility 7.70%, good investment buy entry trade, 1 inch network, 25 technical analysis indicators, signaling is bullish signals and 7 signaling is bearish signals. Currently RSI, relative strength index momentum value 75.35, which indicates 1 inch network token is an overbought position. Price will increase, rise. 24-hour trading volume 2.40 billion, market cap 495 million, market dominance 0.05%. Current circulating supply 945 million, out of supply 1.50 billion. 1 inch network token traded at cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance and KuCoin available. Support levels 0.383058, 0.334572 and 0.304573. Resistance levels 0.453578, 0.483487 and 0.543085. 1 inch network token forecast. Current technical indicator sentiment is bullish. Coming days 5% short term decrease, down, drop. Current position good, investment buy into trade. Some long term investment profitable. 1 inch network token. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more latest videos, update, forecast. Goodbye.